my adoring fans. Today I had a driving lesson. That was probably the highlight of the day. I was quite nervous. Hadn't done it for like 5 weeks or something. I've got my test next week. But I mean, it went okay. You know, bit rusty at the start, but overall fine. As long as I pay attention, it's not too problematic. I don't know what some of the controls are, like how to do the windscreen wipers. But today it was very rainy during my lesson, so I am now more confident in how to do the windscreen wipers. But yeah, Maddie filming me driving off. Having an interesting conversation with my driving instructor. He was telling me about how apparently someone went down the road on the wrong side of the road twice in a test and still passed. So hopefully I get a nice driving instructor who will let me make heinous mistakes like that. So who knows? Maybe there is still hope. But yeah, it's a good video by Maddie. We were stuck at the traffic lights for a little while, but she loyally filmed it. She didn't film me parking. I think I parked in that tiny little gap. Well, actually, it might be a different gap. But yeah, I parked in the gap that was 1.5 car lengths long when I got back, and he was like, "That's very good, well done." I was like, "Thank you." But yeah, more work. Then Maddie made some chicken wings and some broccoli. That was very tasty. And then we've watched a movie, and I've played some CK3. The movie wasn't that good, but it was alright. It wasn't that movie. Anyway, I hope you all had a good day. And adios.